If you have recently encountered this error, this indicates that your Windows PC has run into fatal error, and here are some possible fixes to try. First up, restart Hyper-V on Windows by opening Run, type in the following, then click OK. Now from the Windows Features pop-up window, scroll down to find Hyper-V, and if it is already enabled, uncheck it. If the option is unchecked, you have to select it, then press OK. Now when prompted, allow the Windows to restart and let the changes to take effect. Next, use the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. To do so, search for Windows Memory Diagnostic, select the best match, and once you have saved up any open files, select Restart Now and check for problems. Now your Windows PC will then restart and scan the memory modules for any issues. So once the scan is completed, Windows will now boot automatically. Last on the list, restart the Hyper-V service. You just have to open Services, scroll down to find Hyper-V Virtual Machine Management or the Hyper-V Remote Desktop Virtualization Service, double-click on those services, select Stop, then after a few minutes, you have to select Start. After that, restart your PC for the changes to take effect. And that's how you can fix the hypervisor error blue screen error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.